It's the holidays, and you have received an invite to a holiday potluck, and you need to bring a dish or dessert for the event. We got you covered with a Acaiguy Cooks holiday dessert series, and today's recipe is carrot cake. So let's get started. Let's create the chai spice seasoning. Let's prepare the pecans. Set your timer for 8 minutes. As always, ovens do vary. Let's prepare the dry ingredients. Time for the wet ingredients. Let's build the cake. Set your timer for 30 minutes. As always, ovens do vary. The first carrot cake was noted in a French cookbook published in Britain in 1827. Our first president served carrot cake at his parties. The toothpick test came out clean, so our cake layers are done. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Time for the chai spice cream cheese frosting.
Yep.
Let's get a portion of this amazing carrot cake on a plate. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, this carrot cake is moist and blends the natural sweetness of carrots with amazing holiday spices. Of course, the chai spice cream cheese frosting rounds out the overall flavor profile perfectly. This is a perfect holiday potluck dessert. Join the community, leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Looks like you RSVP'd the Evite. Happy holidays, everyone. Stay with us. Watch the next video.